In this short video, we'll learn how to select databases from different disciplines for searches in our EBSCO host search tool. From the library's homepage, which you can get to by Googling Salve Library, click on Databases A to Z. Then click on E for EBSCO, scroll down to EBSCO, and click on it. From this window, you'll be able to select databases that relate to your topic. So if we say our topic is related to healthcare staffing during the coronavirus pandemic, we'd go down and look for health-related databases, as well as business-related databases, because these could be related to human resources management. So we can choose business abstracts with full text, business source complete, and CINAHL complete, which is a nursing database. And we could select others as well, or just scroll down to the bottom and see how our search works. So we can type our topics. So nursing staffing, for example, and then we would choose maybe coronavirus and see what comes back. We see we have 117 results. And if we scroll down, we see that there's another way that the authors of these articles might be referring to the coronavirus, which is COVID-19. So let's take that one and see what that does for our search. I'm going to use this boolean operator right here and switch it to OR so that it will look for nursing staffing and coronavirus or COVID-19 and see what that does for our search. Now we have a lot of results, 394, and we can use the refine results on the left-hand side of the page to decide if we want to change it a little bit. So for example, I see that we have a lot from other countries, and we may only be interested in the United States, for example. So we could click on geography and limit to the USA. That takes us to 55,000. And if we look some more, we could see that perhaps there are other things that we could use to limit it. If we click on this subject, for example, we can see all of the subjects of these articles. And we may be interested in some specific aspect of healthcare staffing, such as healthcare delivery and disease transmission. If we select those two, it will use our previous selections and add these to them. And now we're down to 1,112. If you see the HTML or PDF full text, you can click on it and get to the article immediately. If you see find full text, request this item, if we click on that, it will search our other databases to see if it's available somewhere else. And in this case, it was through Science Direct, and we can click on View PDF here to see this article. And this works, it may take you to another database. In this case, this article was not available, but you could simply click on Request through Interlibrary Loan to get a copy of that article.